This is the weekend edition. Good through Sunday, May 18th, 2014. My name's Dez, here at Grok Trade. Glad to have you part of this weekend edition. Let's get after it. Each week we do these super hot stock picks. Stock picks, the V newsletter. The V stands for video-based newsletter with bull list and bear list. Kate, K-A-T-E, was on our call list, gone up for the week 7%, breaking out of this triangle here. But I called the trade down here at 34.36. This was on the V newsletter, and it popped up, said add to your position if we got up here to 36.07. So right now we are in this trade from 34.36, not 37. In just a few days. And then we had a bear pick. We only had two on the bear side. BPI was our big winner. Let's do that again. BPI. And we said this is a bear flag. Look for a breakdown and crash. Matter of fact, I'll give you guys a freebie here. I'm seeing it as I speak. This is a bear pullback with a reversal pattern. It's a hangman reversal pattern. If we go lower than if we go lower than 1423, there is your short. Look for downside opportunity there. And that's a freebie. Now listen, if in fact you guys want to try out the Stock Picks V newsletter, it is very, very, very powerful. And actually, if you do any swing trading at all, you should certainly use it. Go to the website. Once you go there, click on Stock Picks V newsletter. And whoa, that was our picks from last week. Don't want to show you those necessarily, unless you're a subscriber. But anyway, once you go there, put in 2 weeks. For the special code, give you 2 weeks free. But anyway, let's take a look at the S&P 500. We drop on Thursday. I told everybody that I took off my hedge. And then we popped on Friday, not doing too shabby. The Dow is up more than 44 points. So we do have a bullish Harami reversal pattern just below the 20-day moving average. It's also a thrusting pattern and kind of hammer-esque. I made up my own word there, with a higher low. So decent chance to follow through going back to the upside. Starting off of next week, we are making higher swing highs, higher swing lows, but at a slight decrease on the trajectory compared to the swing highs. So it's kind of an opening pattern between this blue line and this red line. Let's look at a weekly chart here. We're doing a whole lot of nothing, just sideways, choppy, sideways, nothing. I made a big higher high, got over 1900, made a higher low, but if you'll notice, the last few open and closes have been right here the last few weeks. We're just not moving from this area. We try to break out, we try to go down, but we keep breaking even right here. On the monthly chart, we're just stalled out. Now for the month, if we don't get higher than this 1900, that will be a big time bearish reversal pattern. Huge. It's called a tweezer top. Need to learn those. Big time. But you know, hey, it's only we're only in the middle of the month, so we have a long ways to go to see if that high will be sustained. Look here, the NASDAQ daily. We have this triangle, found support here at the bottom. Boom, hammer, looking for upside potential. Russell, same thing, falling wedge though. Falling wedge, I said, man, this is a great idea. After this hammer, we get a bullish engulfing. Great idea to be looking for some long small caps. I got a ton of them going right now. So I think we have some nice upside potential going in the markets. On the monthly chart, nice little pullback. So it wouldn't surprise me to see some upside potential here. Let's see if that actually happens. Gold, far as the weekly is concerned, it's just sideways basing. On the daily, we're back inside this triangle, so it makes me want to do this. Just consolidation is pinching. Look for a major breakout one side or the other, and we pulled back to a support level on the S&P or the silver. Look for a bounce. Actually, this could be a trade. I'm giving you another trade here. we could have a trade on silver to the upside. So be watching that. And I want to take a look here at the VIX. This is the daily VIX. We popped and dropping back, but we got a lot of support right here. The weekly chart, we're right here at this. I mean, we're just above this major support area. It seems like every time we get there, we bounce. But what's interesting, we have a trend line coming across, and we actually closed below that trend line. That's pretty bullish move. Pretty bullish move for that to happen. And if you look at the financials, the banks on the weekly chart, we've been dropping. So we are making a lower swing right now on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, a lot of lower shadows, upside opportunity here. But the weekly, again, just looks pretty sad. The monthly is at a big time support area coming across. This comes all the way back to 2008. 2008, you take that over here, you can see resistance. We broke that resistance here, support here. We're finding that support right now. So it wouldn't surprise me to see the banks get really healthy at this area on the daily chart. So be watching that. For you guys that are in tax, especially you Apple junkies, check this out. Big Goldfish move, closing near the high, approaching 600. Look for upside opportunity. We got volume supporting this run. Apple freaks, look for a nice upside run. Let's see if it happens. Amazon pulled back, we come up, we get what's called a piercing pattern, reversal pattern. Look for a pop. If we do go higher, gang, this is called an inverted head and shoulders, big time bullish buy opportunity for Amazon. And hold on, I gotta double check something here. I'm a disclosure, I'm holding Amazon, by the way. I am in Amazon. So Facebook, I'm in Facebook too. Here's why. Falling wedge, we did not hit support right here. Relative strength, we popped up, pulling back. Looks like we're getting ready to go higher. Yet again, a higher swing low. Hammer time, look for upside potential, look for a breakout. Google, okay, disclaimer, I'm in Google too, and here's why. Hammer, we're going to go higher. It looks like if we do go higher here, inverted head and shoulders, beautiful place to be in. I'm long from back here. So it's a really, really good pattern. LinkedIn, I'm not in LinkedIn. I better look. No, I'm not in LinkedIn. But that looks like a good opportunity too. Microsoft, I'm not in Microsoft, but it's bouncing off a support level right here, gang, with a hammer and a thrusting pattern. Could be a buy. Netflix, I'm not in Netflix. I'm not in Netflix. High base opportunity. Here, I'll give you another trade. If you like Netflix, the trade is, if it gets to $355.84, look to go long that stock. And if you are doing options, set yourself a condition order before you buy your stock on the stock being at 355.84. And Twitter, man, another buy opportunity. Wow. All right, let me give you another trade. All right, if this dude gets to 3342, look for a trade on Twitter to the upside. So again, let me clear out of my account, but if you go here to the website, get this V newsletter, man, start making some money alongside us. This is certainly what you want to do. Once you go here, go to the monthly chart. Once you go to the monthly chart, what you want to do is type in 2 and then weeks, all capitals, no space. Hit apply. Once you hit apply, you are due nothing, but you have to put in a credit card because we'll charge you after 14 days. You'll get 2 of these free. You'll love it. Take care. Share this with a friend. We do the best technical analysis, especially if somebody's out there wondering what's going on with the markets. We'll keep you on the straight and narrow path. Take care.